Hello everyone, this is a tutorial video to how to set up Get SD Ready Discord server in your Discord app. So first you will get the invite link, then join it through the invite link. This is a accept invite. Complete the captcha. Then you have to follow the basic rules of the server. That you have to maintain the respectful behavior, no spamming or flooding, keep content appropriate. It is a professional server. You have here to solve your doubts and connect with the further your peers and the professionals, and respect the privacy of the persons, and please don't use any unauthorized bots, and please follow the Discord terms and services. Then go to reaction roles, get yourself some get yourself the reaction. Like if you want to go for web dev, get the web dev, and for DSA this DSA role, and for the system design, are you student or professional? If you are student, select this, otherwise this. uh, you can only select one of the above. So here, then this is our basic Get HD Ready server. So we also provide coding codist updates. As if there is any update, we have a bot named NeoTally. This will give our alerts. We also have a daily problems which you can solve and ask. If you are enrolled in the course, you have to message the moderator with the screenshot. There are right now two moderators, Get HD Ready and Kyotaka. You have to message one of them that you have enrolled. I have enrolled. Send this. He will he will give you the enrolled role. After you get the enrolled role, you will have to you can access our doubts channel, where you have to create a new post. Like I have a doubt on I have a doubt on if you have lead code. You mentioned lead code website, you can mention at the lead code tag, so everyone can easily find it. Here we have inbuilt bot that will ask from you, named Get HD Ready. It will help you to solve your problems, and if he cannot solve you can tag the doubt teachers, doubt help. We have our doubt helps mentors. the, right now there is no one active.